If your sink is slow to drain or smells like a garbage dump, don't waste your money on corrosive chemical drain cleaners or call an expensive plumber. Today, I am going to teach you the exact scientific method, and in the precise order, to fix it using only baking soda, vinegar, and hot water. It's fast, 100% eco-friendly, and costs less than $1. The traditional mistake most people make is pouring harsh chemical gels down the drain. Those products can actually melt your modern plastic pipes, ruin the glue joints, and cost you thousands of dollars in repairs later. Instead, we are going to use a simple biochemical reaction that dissolves grease and destroys foul odors at the root, completely naturally. Phase 1, the prep work that everyone skips. The absolute first thing we need to do is dry the entire drain area thoroughly. Grab a paper towel or a microfiber cloth and wipe the sink basin and the top of the drain until it's bone dry. Why? Because if the drain is wet, the baking soda will stick to the metal grating and clump up at the top. We need it to stay dry so it can slide all the way down, deep into the plumbing, and reach the P-trap or the siphon where the actual clog is hiding. Once everything is perfectly dry and we are sure the standing water is gone, we pour the dry powder right in. Phase 2. The exact measurement. We are going to pour 1 full cup of baking soda straight down the drain. Use a spoon or your finger to push it right through the hole so it drops deep into the pipe. Think about how your plumbing works. It has a curved siphon trap underneath, so the powder is going to settle right at the bottom where all the grease accumulates. Next, we take the exact same amount of white vinegar, 1 full cup. The ratio must be 1 to 1. The moment you pour the vinegar down, the magic happens. You'll hear it fizzing and see bubbles rising. This is an acid-base reaction generating carbon dioxide gas. That pressure expands inside the sludge, breaking apart the hardened fats and soap scum sticking to the pipe walls. Now, we leave it completely alone to work its magic for exactly 15 minutes. Phase 3, while the reaction is fighting the grease, fill up a pot or kettle with water and put it on the stove to heat up. Now, a vital safety rule regarding hot water: do not bring it to a rolling boil. Boiling water can warp or crack modern PVC pipes. We want it very hot, but not boiling. If you have modern, heavy-duty pipes, you can use it slightly hotter. But if you aren't sure, here is my pro tip: pour the hot water in, and immediately after, crack open your cold water faucet for a few seconds. This tempers the temperature, ensuring the pipe gets that blast of heat to flush the grease, but doesn't stay at a high temperature for too long. Phase 4, the flush. As you can see, the fizzing has done its job and the clog is loosened. Now, we pour the hot water straight down the drain. The baking soda and vinegar did the heavy lifting by breaking the chemical bonds of the grime, and this hot water acts as a final cleansing wave to sweep all that melted grease and bacteria straight down the main sewer line. Your sink is now completely clear, flowing fast, and smelling fresh. It's an incredibly cheap, satisfying routine you can do once a month to keep your plumbing pristine. By the way, I'd really love to know which part of the world you're watching from. Leave a comment below letting me know where you're tuning in from. I read and reply to absolutely all of them. And if you want to know how to keep the rest of your kitchen completely pest and bug-free this summer using another simple, cheap hack, click on the video right here on your screen. Drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Let's get M.